What's up, guys? This is Levi the Boss, hashtag 1360. And I haven't been posting videos in a while, but I'm gonna do what I've done a long time ago, is doing reaction videos on Torrent's Guy, Angry Grandpa, all that stuff before. And I found this video and I started off a little bit, but I was like, okay, this is actually gotta be good for a video, so we're gonna play it. So this is Angry Grandpa 100 Ways to Love a Cat, his reaction, and I'm not sure how this is gonna go. And plus, this is a live reactions of mine. So you see him, if you see my my camera thing on the top right. So I'm gonna be doing live reactions with a webcam on. So let's see how this goes. 100 Ways to Love a Cat.
Gonna hide the speakers.
Actually, let me make sure everything is turned up. Okay, yeah, this is pretty good. Oh, if you also see Slenderman back there, yeah, he's my emotional support guy. so you're gonna get used to seeing him. So okay, let's start this. Oh my god, that's a big extension cord. Oh god, is he sleeping? Oh, he's really bad. Wait, is he gonna play the video while he's sleeping? He's gonna hide in the bathroom.
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways. Way 1. Keep a tidy house for their 100 loving ways. There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways.
100 fucking what?
Sure to
The fuck is that, man? Goddamn, get your fucking nap. Shit!
No!
Fuck a goddamn cat! Fuck a motherfucking cat!
Oh my god!
What the fuck?
Oh no, he's scooping
I'll
up.
show you I love a goddamn cat! You goddamn motherfucker fucking bitch! And you love that son of a bitch! And you say, beat him.
Oh my god!
You son of a bitch! Fuck a goddamn cat! You wanna get that motherfucker? I hate a goddamn cat!
Oh my god!
100 ways to kill a fucking cat!
Oh my god!
Use your fucking knife! 100 ways to kill a cat!
Oh my god!
Fucking ways! Put poison in his food!
Oh my god, I haven't laughed this hard in a while. Or even on these things. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, just a side note, I don't condone what he says, but it's just the way he expresses himself is just absolutely hilarious. That's why I used to love watching his videos. Like the video I made before about him eating the mac and Cheetos from Burger King and he vomited through that. I found that funny for some reason. When he vomited so badly from that, I get a really hilarious kick from that. But I'm not just saying that I would laugh about that. I mean, sort of, but it's my humor. But anyways, we're just gonna continue.
Hey, turn that summage off.
I can't.
Turn the motherfucker off.
Oh.
You turn it off.
I will do, bitch.
You won't.
Fuck you. Hey.
Give them some fresh water.
Yeah, with some goddamn morsing in that motherfucker! You goddamn hairy little motherfucker! Fuck you, 100 ways to kill a cat! Fuck 100 ways to love a cat! I love you, motherfucking ass!
Oh my
Where the
god.
goddamn fingers?
Oh my god, he's got his shorts on, everything.
They're gone. Where my goddamn? I rerouted it. Where my goddamn speakers? It's in the closet or something.
Oh my god, he's dying.
Pop a goddamn stick and bust him in the motherfucking head with a golf club. I hate a goddamn cat. I hate a motherfucking cat. 100 fucking ways. Send it, get that goddamn further than a motherfucker off my computer. I don't know.
It's not a chicken.
Please turn that motherfucker off. It goes for 35 minutes. Please turn that motherfucker
Oh my god.
Tower blanket.
Yeah, goddamn tall blanket. Tie that motherfucker up and throw it in the river. And he's just swimming down the stream of motherfucker. Swimming down the stream of motherfucker. And a goddamn shark eats your ass. And a goddamn whale eats a shark. And you know goddamn little furry ass go forever. Please turn the motherfucker off.
Oh my god, he hates it. He hates it so badly. Oh my god.
You're gonna regret doing anything.
No.
I can't stand it no motherfucking move. That's all I can stand. La, 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 la. Man, goddamn. Oh, come on, man. 30. You get the point. It's 100. Take that power cord, tie his motherfucking tail, throw him over a goddamn clothesline.
Oh my god.
Turn that motherfucker off.
Set him by the window.
I said turn it motherfucker off.
Remind him that you love him.
I'm not gonna sit here much motherfucking longer. Anyways, the little fucking kitty is still a pussy. The only pussy I want. Come between the legs. Not your goddamn four-legged little motherfucker. Turn the bastard off. I can't find my speaker. I can't find the motherfucking mouse. You need to get the motherfucker.
He can't explain it. He's trying so hard to explain the situation. It's just hilarious. Oh my god.
Yeah, and you take that son of a bitch. You mail that motherfucker to your friends in Australia.
Oh my god.
Week 68.
68.
Dirty cat carrier. 100 love.
Oh man, fuck the goddamn cat. Man, turn him up. I don't care about the goddamn carrier. Hold the fuck is please.
Oh,
Man, please turn him up.
oh my god, my jaw is hurting.
Be crazy, man. You know, you're the only one who knows where the goddamn shit. Turn him up. I beg you, son. Son, please.
100 ways to love a cat. 100
Yeah,
loving ways.
motherfucking ass.
69.
Yeah.
Listen to them. 85. Admire his long whiskers. 100 loving.
Pull them motherfuckers up.
Whoa.
Put the goddamn camera down. Put it down. Put the goddamn camera down. Oh my god. Put it down. Fuck them goddamn cats. You fucking hear me?
There are 100
Turn the motherfucker off.
loving cats.
Turn the motherfucker off.
Ways.
Oh my god.
Pretend that he's a piano. 100 love.
Yeah, you got a baseball bat tickle to the fucking Irish.
100
Turn the motherfucker off. Turn it.
100 loving.
Motherfucker.
Oh my god, he can't get out.
They locked my goddamn door. I know.
Oh my god.
Fuck them goddamn cats. Get us into this one.
100
What way is this?
ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways. Wait, 29. Make sure there's hate or news.
You start that goddamn shit over again, my goddamn.
Oh no. Oh my god.
I'm gonna find that motherfucker. I'm gonna find that motherfucker. Where's the son of a bitch?
There are 100
Oh my
Where's the
god.
motherfucker? It's gone.
my god.
What did you do to motherfucker?
There are 100 ways to
I'm gonna beat your motherfucking fat ass 100 goddamn days.
You just gotta unplug the speakers.
Yeah, motherfucker.
keep your
You just gotta unplug the speakers.
100
We're totally dead.
100 loving
Turn him over.
ways. 100 loving
That's it.
ways.
Cut it off.
100 loving ways.
Cut the motherfucker off.
100 love.
Oh my god.
There are 100
All right. I'm gonna get to heaven.
cats. 100
You got a choice.
I mean, you must pray to Jesus because he's right there on the wall.
Goddamn ways to love a cat.
let them chew on
No, you've only heard to 80.
100 love.
You haven't gotten 100 yet. I started it over.
100.
You got a chance. You turn him over. You got a choice.
Don't vacuum.
Oh my god, he's got a crowbar.
I'm serious.
No, that's a hammer.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
100
I don't want to hear no goddamn more.
Holy shit!
ways.
I've heard enough goddamn cats. I hate fucking cats.
Oh my god.
Loving ways.
Leave my room all tore up now.
100 loving ways.
His whole room is in destruction because of the cat's videos. Oh my god. I wonder how this even ends anyways. Oh god. I hope he destroys that computer.
7.
Shut the fuck up.
Finishes.
Read him a book. 100 loving ways.
Can't get out my goddamn.
100 ways to
Can't turn
love
the
a
motherfucker off.
cat. 100 loving ways.
Fuck a
When
bunch of cats.
99, feed him
you,
again. 100 loving
I
ways.
fucking hate all of you.
Ways.
Hey, you goddamn motherfuckers out there like cats.
100 loving ways. 100. Just love them every day. 100 loving.
Put myself in a fucking eye. God damn it.
Oh my god.
Give them a little wet.
Oh my god.
Goddamn.
Oh my god. What he's gonna do with that? What he's gonna do with that Iron Man doll?
What?
Oh my gosh.
100 ways to love a cat. 100
Please come turn the motherfucker off.
That's alright.
61.
Please turn the goddamn off.
Don't get angry.
Yeah, don't get angry.
Treat them with respect.
No.
100 love.
Treat them with respect.
Oh my god.
I will turn it off this second if you stop.
Way 64.
Get your fucking tooth.
They'll say good job. 100 loving ways.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Did it just restarted?
There. It's gone. Yeah. It's gone.
Holy god.
That was a rough 35 minutes.
I hate cats. I hate cats.
Come on, let go. Ah!
Fat bastard.
Wow. That was funny. Oh my gosh. Scaring grandpa. The garbage dog. Smokes catnip. That's a long ass video. Let's see. There's a part 2 of this? Alright, we gotta watch it.
Pickle Boy here, and today, Dad is going to listen to a song that's plagued him for many years. There are 100 ways to love a cat.
Let's get to the part. Oh my gosh, they restricted the they restricted the doorknob from opening so that the bull will only be able Stay locked. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is gonna be bad. I don't know if this is gonna be way worse than the first video that we saw. Oh man, this is gonna be bad. This is in like a different home, I think, so. Oh no.
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways.
Oh god.
Keep a tidy house for them. 100 loving ways. There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways.
What the fuck?
Be sure to clip their claws. 100 loving ways.
Oh my god.
100 ways to love
Oh, hell no! Hey, goddamn, let me have this motherfucker, please.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stop.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he threw it. He fucking threw a portable fish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I gotta rewatch that again. I gotta rewatch that again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's he gonna go next? Oh my god. He yanked it from the wall socket. Oh my god, my stomach's hurting from this. Oh my god, my stomach's hurting from this. Oh my god, he yanked him from the wall socket. Oh my god. Oh my god, watch this. He goes out to the fan and it's still plugged in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it was still running. Oh my god, I can't. 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 This is so funny.
You're gonna be here a while.
Oh my god. Oh,
100 ways to love a cat for the next hour.
oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, man, come on, man!
He ran himself over with the ladder.
Fuck your loving way, you bitch!
Wait, he's gonna throw an extra freaking glass bottle. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Whisper, I love you.
Whisper, die, you motherfucker!
Lighter in their box.
Yeah, and then bury him, motherfucker! Grab him up! Throw him in the goddamn fucking garbage can!
Give them a match
Oh
to
my
light their
gosh.
feet on.
Yeah! Use him to wipe your fucking ass, Bridget!
Oh my god.
Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off!
Oh, he's gotta go through this whole thing for an hour. We're only like 4 minutes in. We're halfway there.
Increase your cuddle time.
Yeah! I'll cuddle with the bitch! I'll cuddle him and I'll hang him and I'll drown him! And I'll kill him with the sushi!
Oh my god.
Man, I'm getting sick of my stomach. Like,
He's gonna cut him into sushi.
Cuddle with the bitch! I'll kill him and I'll hang him and I'll drown him! And I'll kill him with the sushi!
man, I'm getting sick of my stomach. Like,
Oh my god. Oh my god. He's getting motion sickness from this whole song. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is funny. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Oh my gosh. What's the big one? Oh no.
Watch his weight. Give him a thing of cat grass. 100
Give a bag of what? Back grass! What the hell is back grass?
rats under his chin.
Yeah, I'll scratch him! I'll get my crowbar and I'll scratch him with his gun in his chin!
Oh my god. He's going all out. Oh my god. That's one way to get them out. Oh my god.
You ain't going to West End with me, boy! We're gonna learn about them cats together! We're gonna learn them cats together!
Oh my god.
Alright, that's it! I mean, that's it! Sit down!
You've gotten to like 70. You only got like another 20.
Oh my god.
Okay. Stop.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I want out of here, road! I want out of here right now!
Oh my god, he wants out. He wants out.
Let me out!
Oh my god.
get me out of my room.
Don't do it.
Let me out of my room.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Just stop. Don't think about it.
Oh, he's about to punch him through that door.
No.
Oh, he found it. He found it.
Stop.
Oh
Damn you.
Yeah, I got your loving way to love a cat right now, motherfucker!
He found the speaker, Bridget. We can't hear it. He found the speaker. Let me out, Bridget.
Oh my
Hey,
god.
you underweight! That lover got you!
Get out.
Hey, yeah.
Stop.
Come on, here, he's bigger! Yeah! Yeah! There's your bandit! There's his finger! Get out!
Oh my god, it's still playing.
Bridget, come on.
Get out of my house!
Come on.
100 ways to throw you out my fucking house! 100 fucking ways! Get out!
Oh my gosh.
I'm staying at Dad's house.
Oh my god. Oh. Okay, I think I had enough laughing for the night. So, well, that's it for the video. Please subscribe if you like this. Please make it a like if you like this. Comment down what you think. And, hopefully I'll make more videos like this in the future, since I already have my webcam that I've been having for about like a year or so, I guess. So I'm gonna actually make your suggestions, see what videos I can react to, and I'll make it happen. Alright, y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all guys in the next video. See you later.